Honorable guardians, honorable audience, and my dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manjudar Rahman. I am an English teacher of Afanullah High School. I am also well. I hope you are well. We know this period is very much dangerous. One kind of virus which named is corona has attacked us in the whole world. In this situation, all of the institutions are closed. For this, we are going to arrange online class. I am going to start my class. I hope you will be attentive in my class. Look at the board. Our today's lesson, transformation of sentences or sentence transfer. I have already discussed some rules about it in the last class, and I am going to discuss other rules today in this class. Look at the board. You can see here affirmative to negative. You can see here these are affirmative forms and these are negative forms. How can we transfer affirmative sentence to negative sentence? And how can we transfer negative sentence to affirmative sentence? If you transfer affirmative sentence to negative sentence, you can use these forms, these signs. When you are going to transfer negative sentence to affirmative sentence, then you use these forms or these signs. I am going to describe it in an example. Must, affirmative form, cannot but negative form. Every plus noun plus verb. Affirmative form, there is no plus noun plus verb, negative form. Everybody or every or everyone, affirmative form. Nobody, no one, none, negative form. Comparative degree or superlative degree, affirmative form. Positive degree, negative form. Many, affirmative form, not a few, negative form. A little, affirmative form, not much, negative form. Much, affirmative form, a little, negative form. Two, dash dash two, affirmative form, so dash dash that, negative form. As dash dash as, affirmative form, not less, dash dash then, negative form. Both dash dash and, affirmative form, not only dash dash but also negative form. Affirmative form dash negative form. I am going to describe it in an example. Here you can see, look at the board, here you can see an example. We must obey our parents. We must obey our parents. How can we transfer it negative form? Follow the example. We must obey our parents. We cannot but obey our parents because must is affirmative form and cannot but is negative form. Must for cannot but. When you are going to change must affirmative form to negative form, then you use cannot but. We must obey our parents. This is affirmative sentence, and we cannot but obey our parents. This is negative forms. When you are going to change this negative sentence cannot but, then you use must. We must obey our parents. Number 2, every mother loves her child. Every plus noun plus verb. Every plus noun mother plus every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Every plus noun. This is affirmative form. There is no plus noun plus verb. This is negative form. Follow the example. Every mother loves her child. How can we transfer it into negative sentence? Then you use these forms. There is no plus noun mother plus what loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Every plus noun. There is no plus noun plus but. Every plus noun. There is no plus noun plus but. This is when you are going to change every mother loves her child to negative sentence, then you use there is no mother but loves her child. Again, on the other hand, when you are going to change there is no mother but loves her child, negative sentence to affirmative sentence, then you use every mother loves her child. Number 3, everybody or every or everyone, nobody, none, no one. Everybody likes him. This is affirmative sentence. How can we transfer this sentence to negative sentence? Then you use everybody, public, everyone, dash, nobody, none, no one. These are affirmative form and these are negative form. If you use any form for this form, nobody likes, you use here opposite word. Likes, opposite word, dislikes. Everybody likes him. Everybody for nobody, likes for dislike. Nobody dislikes him. There is no sense in the meaning of the two sentences without changing meaning. Everybody likes him, nobody dislikes him. This is affirmative sentence and this is negative sentence. When you are going to change negative sentence to affirmative sentence, then you use nobody for everybody, dislikes for like. In this way, we can change affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative. My dear student, all the forms is not used possible in this class because time is short. Now I am going to discuss important forms. You follow blackboard. As for 2 is too weak to walk. 2 dash dash 2. This is affirmative form. 2 dash dash 2. Which is negative form? So dash dash that. When you are going to change this sentence, this affirmative sentence to negative sentence, then we use so dash dash that. He is so weak that he cannot walk. 2 for so, 2 for that. When you are going to change this negative sentence to affirmative sentence, then we use so for 2, that for 2. In this way, we can change affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. Follow this example. Both dash dash and, not only dash dash but also. This is affirmative form and this is negative form. When you are going to change this affirmative sentence to negative sentence, then we use not only dash dash but also. Not only Rohim but also Karim went there. This is negative form. When both Rohim and Karim went there, affirmative sentence, not only Rohim but also Karim went there, negative sentence. When you are going to change this negative sentence to affirmative sentence, then you use both dash dash and when you are going to change affirmative to negative, then you use not only dash dash but also. I have many books. Many is affirmative form, not a few negative form. This sentence is affirmative sentence. When you are going to change this sentence to negative sentence, then you use not a few. I have not a few books. A few, many. Many is affirmative form, a few is negative form. When you are going to say affirmative to negative, then you use many for a few. When, on the other hand, when you are going to change this negative sentence to affirmative sentence, then you use many. My dear student, I hope you understand and you will practice in this way at your home again and again. If you do this, then you will be successful. I am giving you this homework. You do it at your home and bring the khata in the next class. Dear student, now I am going to finish my class. Thank you very much. My best wishes for all. Thank you.